The easiest way to use this monitor is via the Thunderbolt port. The other Type-C port is for power only, and the other one is HDMI port. It's basically plug and play. We're in extended desktop mode. You can easily drag and drop a window between these two monitors. Yeah, I haven't even done any setup yet. This is basically the default mode. Let's try the speaker from the monitor. That's the K3. And the audio is being played on that monitor. This is maximum brightness. The menu options are pretty generic. We can press down the toggle or push up to bring up the brightness adjustment. And there is a input switch toggle to select HDMI or Type-C input. We're using Type-C, and push down this menu button to bring up the main menu. Yeah, I've seen this menu many times in other models. So just a quick walkthrough of what's available there. Like I demoed before, the brightness has been changed to 100%. Let me bring it down to 50%. That's 50. Okay, now let's test the power consumption. According to the included power adapter, it is rated at 5 volts, 2.4 amps, which means it is possible to use a power bank to drive this monitor. Let's take a look. And I'm really curious if we were able to provide power to this port so it doesn't draw power from the MacBook. The only way to find out is through a power meter. So here I have a kilowatt, and I can even plug in a USB meter in the middle so I can take a really good look at the readings here. And let's see. This is actually the first time I'm doing this. We got 10 watts. According to this meter, the power draw is around 10 watts. And according to the power kilowatt, that's 11.6, which means if you are supplying power to this monitor using that Type-C power port, it will not drain the power from the MacBook, which is a great thing, as you can, totally use, well, it disconnected for a while, of course, which is another sign that it's getting separate power input from this cable and not through that Thunderbolt 3. And we are powering this monitor using the power bank. Will it work with Nintendo Switch? Let's find out. Using the same included Type-C cable. Okay, it's powering on. With the dock, we can play the Nintendo Switch on the monitor just fine using that mini HDMI port. The PlayStation 5 works great, of course, with the included power cable plugged into the front using the mini HDMI cable right there, and we can enjoy the game on this 1080p display. Power consumption of the PS5, 107 watts. Yeah, when it's running Astral's Playroom, it's more than 200 watts.